audio's not gonna play me today. I don't know about this lighting though. Hello, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Why am I so bad at intros? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get right into it. Today is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. Is that what it's called? I got May's box about 2 weeks ago, and I have been waiting with bated breath to open it up, but I wanted to do it on camera and have a reaction for the first time. Hopefully I love it. Usually every single month I do love every single Boxycharm that I get, so fingers crossed that I love this one too. And yeah, let's just jump right into it together. I'll leave you all the information. I'll leave you all the information down in the description. Oh my God. I'll leave you all the information down in the description box. But before we get right into this video, while I was doing my makeup and getting ready, I was listening to John Mayer. Don't do that, because suddenly I was welling up, I was in tears, I was heartbroken, I was angry. I mean, John Mayer, who hurt you? That's the question, because your music is so sad. There are some great tunes in there, there are some great fiddle-dee-dees, there are some great little bops, some cute little music there, but overall it's sad, and I want to know who made you sad. Do you need a friend? Do you need a hug? Do you need me? Okay, let's open it up. So this is the Boxycharm. This is what it comes like in the mail. It's really cute. The Boxycharm comes once a month. It's about 5 to 6 full-size products for $25. That's how much it retails for. A couple dollars extra, you know, tax. I was gonna say tax and tip. Nobody's tipping. $25-ish, okay? So let's see. Okay, the first thing that caught my eye. Okay, we have a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Yes, skincare. It looks like, why did you do that? It's so annoying. Who doesn't love a mask? Oh, it smells like raspberry-ish. It's okay. It smells okay. I'm sure that once I apply it on my face, that's what it looks like. It's really cute. We'll read about what it does. It says apply an even layer. Why am I, honey, I need my glasses. Oh, she's up. Apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes. For best results, tissue off and smooth in any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry. Follow with normal skincare regimen. I like it. That's all it says. It doesn't say what it's gonna give me, what it's gonna do, but it's a probiotic recovery mask, honey, okay? All right, let's move along. This is called Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. Shampoo bar. What does that mean? Okay. It's literally a bar. What in the what? Okay. Soap on a robe? Shampoo style? What does this say? Individuals who think in the shower, plant-based vegan. It smells like a shampoo bar. Well, it smells like a soap bar. It smells like one of those. It smells like my abuela's house. It smells like a. Oh, this brings me back. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I'm supposed to shampoo with her? Okay, let's pop on these glasses to read about her again. Oh my God. Okay, what's it say? Your hair will love the Daily Concept Shampoo Bar. The plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. Does normal shampoo have plastic? A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with, oh, I get it. I get it. It's a shampoo bar, like in a box, not in a plastic bottle. Oh, wow. Okay, and I'm supposed to lather this up. It says avocado oil rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. Bend, don't break. Okay, honey, I won't bend, I'll break. Huh? Bend, don't break. That's what it says. It doesn't say bend or break. It's a shampoo bar on a rope. And it doesn't come in a plastic bottle, so you're saving the earth. Congratulations. Moving on. Oh no, I'm nervous. Okay, this is from a brand called Ayam. Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipe. Interesting. I don't use makeup remover wipes anymore because of how bad they are for your skin, but you can use these for other things. Like I would use these on the body. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll put these on my face and just let them like soak and stuff, but I don't want to rub. Our Dead Sea Minerals and Plus Vitamin C makeup remover wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Okay, well honey, if you're into makeup wipe removers, try them, but very lightly, because you gotta be careful. All right, moving on. A lip product, oh my God, Pretty Vulgar. Excuse me, what is this? Doesn't say what it is, doesn't come in any other packaging. It just comes straight out the box like this. Pretty Vulgar, okay. Let's try it on the back of our hands. I can't really smell it. Ooh, it's buttery though. Ooh, maybe it's like a lip conditioning treatment, like a lip gloss something. It literally doesn't say what it is. Lip gloss, lip treatment, lip mask. It's an eyeshadow primer. I thought it was for the lips. Rewind, watch that again. It's an eyeshadow primer, got it. It's tacky, I like that. It blended right into my skin. So it looked like it had a tint to it like right off the bat, but then it just kind of disappears. Okay, cute, Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Thanks. Moving on. Last one. It's in this kind of packaging. Looks like an eyeshadow palette. Violet Voss. I do love a Violet Voss. Have you guys tried any Violet Vosses? I have, and it's really cute. Okay, she's cute. That pop of green if I want to have a little Wicked moment or something. Yeah, a little yellow. I don't really go for these kind of colors, but I could turn over a new leaf. I could try something new. You know, you always need an extra little eyeshadow palette for Halloween. If you've got some daughters, you've got a little child that lives in your house. Little dance recital once this COVID-19 era is behind us. Why? Why? All right, great. So let's recap. So we've got the Berry Glow Glam Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask Skincare. I liked it. Then we moved on. Was it the, oh, who can forget this? The shampoo on a rope. That smells like my abuelita's house. It's not a bad smell. It's just one of those bar soap smells, like from your abuela's house. And then we've got, why? Are we good? Are we in frame? Are we in focus? Then we've got the Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Okay, that's fine. We'll find use for this. We'll do it. We have the Pretty Vulgar Eye Primer, not to be confused with a lip product. No, ma'am. And then we have the Violet Voss Pretty Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. So all in all, so how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the soap on a rope. Okay, so we got 5 products, all for $25. It's always fun to see what they each retail for because they're always a lot more than $25, which is why it's such a deal. So I didn't mind this month's May Boxycharm. I liked it. There are things that I could use there. Previous months have been a lot more exciting. I've gotten things that I definitely use, like that Kristen Dominique palette that I just posted on Instagram. All in all, every single month, I really do enjoy Boxycharm. So if you wanna subscribe, if you wanna get in the fun, I will leave all of that information down below. Last thing that I wanted to do for this video was that I also ordered a very special lipstick from a makeup artist who's actually creative director of Lancome. So when I worked there back in 2016-15, she had just become the creative director. So I'm pretty sure she still is, but she came out with her own lipsticks. Her name is Eldridge. It's more of a collector's item because it is so beautiful. Wait till you see it. Do you see that hair falling down? Do you see? Oh my God. I got this about 2 weeks ago as well, and I haven't even opened it because I've been waiting to do it on camera. This one's like that true blue base red, which is what I think goes best with my skin tone. So this one is called Velvet Ribbon. Oh my God, it's heavy. I wish you could feel it. It's not like a normal lipstick. Look at how big this bullet is. It's very heavy. It's got the little L with the lips. I'll swatch it and then I'll take my lipstick off and put it on, and then that's how I'll end this video. Oh my God. I love a good magnet lipstick too. Did you hear that? Let's hear it again. Little ASMR, is that too loud? Are we back? So guess what? My camera played me. Nothing new. I was last talking to you about this Lisa Eldridge Teddy, what's it called? Velvet Ribbon by Lisa Eldridge, okay? This is the blue-based matte. Oh my God. This is what it looks like right out of the bullet. I am going to insert some stills because I'm sure this camera will play me and not catch the gorgeousness that is this lipstick, but it looks like there's material around, like a fabric, and that's what I kept hearing about this lipstick. It's just more money than you would ever really normally pay for a lipstick, but like I said, this to me is like a collector's item, especially because Lisa Eldridge is a history buff when it comes to cosmetics. She has a book. She did this as an homage to that old Hollywood glamour style, very a la Marilyn Monroe. Let's just stop talking and let's put it on. It's already very buttery. Feels really nice. Okay, now that I've put on 87 layers, wow. I'm just gonna keep it really real. I haven't put on a lip liner. I haven't tried to fix it at all. I can continuously work on this and make it perfect, but I just kind of wanted to see straight out of the bullet what it felt like on the lips, the pigment, the payoff. Clearly, it was worth every penny. It's really soft on the lips. If you don't have a good red lipstick, you want to invest in one, I would say that this is something that you should buy just because it's something that you can keep up on your vanity and it'll look so pretty and just so sophisticated. And also, you guys should look up Lisa Eldridge. She's a makeup artist and she has videos up on YouTube and she's gorgeous and her accent is to die for. She's from the England. And she has other colors. If you wanted maybe more of like a dark vampy red, she has something like that. More orangey red, she has something like that. She has some other colors, but I just wanted a classic blue-based red and I knew that I was gonna be super happy with this, so I ordered it. I'll be done in a minute, okay?
Actually filming or just watching a video, so I just wanted to...
You like my lipstick?
Red or...
What does it look like?
Well, from over there, it looks like a cool purple red.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be done in a minute, okay? Love you. She loves lipstick. She will definitely ask to borrow this. I'm gonna unfortunately have to break her little heart. Sorry. I just wanted to end the video with this. The red is absolutely perfect. It's really, really soft and smooth on the lips, so I love that. I love the packaging. I'm sure that this is a lipstick that I will keep and love for a long time. And yeah, I'll leave all of her information down in the description, as well as all the information for Boxycharm in case you're interested. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quick, it was easy, it was simple, it was all music related? No. It was all makeup stuff. Hope you like this quick little video. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you subscribe to Boxycharm already. Is there a different subscription that you subscribe to? How many times can I say subscription? And if you do have a red that you love, I would love to know where it's from, who makes it. I hope you guys liked today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and catch me next Friday on another one. Bye. I just really want to thank all of the 500,000 million. I just want to thank everybody for the hundreds of thousands of views I got on my last video. We're really moving up on this YouTube ladder. I can feel it. Just kidding, I only have 74 subscribers, but we are 74 strong, okay? And that is not a small. We will move to 100, then 250, then 500, then 1,000, then 1,000,000. No big deal. I hope I don't have lipstick in my teeth. Do I have lipstick in my teeth? It's the good red, you guys, right? It's a good red. It's good. It's good.